Hey guys, what is up? Brendan here, aka Brenbo, bringing you guys another video. Today we have a pretty cool video. I'll be installing a Muse front splitter on the GTR. Like I said, everything for this car is very expensive, so it's going to take a while to build up this car, but it will get there eventually, as you guys know. So the difference between this splitter and the stock one is obviously it's a lot more aggressive. It's painted the exact same color, so it should look OEM partially, and it comes with the underbody shield attached to the splitter. So this is all one piece, and in my opinion, all the good front splitters for the GTR come with a underbody shield just to help support it and just keep it more stable under high speeds. Removing the OEM front splitter and OEM undershield for the splitter, because obviously this will be replacing it. This is a super easy install. I just have to lift up the car, unbolt the underbody shield, unbolt the splitter, and then I can put the new piece up all in one piece. I have new bolts for this because apparently it takes a little bit thicker of bolts. So I'm really excited to see the splitter on the car. I think since this wrap is so crazy, the front splitter will help a lot, because basically besides the wrap on the outside, the whole car is stock. So this front splitter is gonna really set off the front end in my opinion. I obviously have stuff coming for the rear in the future and the side, but for now, the front splitter will have to do. The thing about this one is it actually has a clear bra. You can see the line right here. I'm not sure if you can see in the camera, but the whole front is clear bra in the middle where most of the rock chips will be. So that is very nice. I know it'll be protected, and if it does get chipped up, I can just take off the clear bra and put a new one on if I want to. But this is a very nice splitter. I made sure I don't cheap out on this car. It is a GTR. So I really want to get really nice parts for it and just make the car look amazing. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to jack up the car, take out the old one, and install the new one. I'm under the car now to show you guys where the bolts are. There's going to be these really large holes that are going to be covered by these like rubber covers. You're going to remove all of them. They're on the front lip and the back of the panel, and you're going to just take out those bolts, and the splitter with the undershield will drop down, and then you're just going to put the new one on. It's a very easy mod to do, obviously. It's just bolts. And just got the front splitter off of the car, and it looks pretty naked. It looks really weird without it. I think this car would look really high when it was sitting on the ground without any splitter, because the car comes with such a kind of aggressive splitter, I would say, because it's about 2 or 2.5 inches tall. So it comes with a pretty aggressive splitter, and without one, I think the car would look really weird. But here's a comparison between the two. This is the OEM one. It's a lot more heavy. There's a lot more to it that doesn't need to be here. All these fins and extra installation. And with the aftermarket one, it's just a flat panel. So all the bolt holes are the same. So you can already tell how much more this is gonna stick out from the holes on the splitter. On the OEM one, obviously, after the hole, there's really nothing. It just goes straight down. Or on the aftermarket one, it goes out and down. So it does both. It's gonna look completely different. But if you guys didn't notice already, this is used. The only reason I bought it is because it did get repainted, and it has the clear bra, and that came all with it. And it's basically like new, and I got it for half the price. So here's the front lip completely installed. Like I said, it was super easy. It just takes a lot of time because of so much bolts holding the splitter on, and just trying to finagle it because it's so big, because it has that underplate with the splitter built into it. That will do it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This changes the front of the car immensely, and I got a great deal on it, so I don't regret this purchase at all. It changes the whole front of the car. There's a lot more mods coming in the future. I would say just as aggressive as this front splitter. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Leave a like if you like the new splitter and how the car is coming along. Hit the subscribe button for future videos. I'll see you guys next time. Peace